G'day everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're just going to be doing something a little bit different. We're just going to be playing Battle Royale, as it's something I haven't done on the channel for a bit. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. Oh come on, surely some people are playing Battle Royale. Let's just move this a bit. Let's do this actually. Yeah, there we go. That makes it a bit better. What have we got? Go to the gold rated players. Let's see what we can do. We'll play a few games today, and as I'll go through, I'll explain my thought process. And yeah, see if you guys can learn a thing or two. Anyway, let's just get straight into this. We can just get a reel up as well. 3, 2, 1. We're in. I'm gonna go for. We're starting off in. We've got these long dashes outside of the road. We're going to be in Norway. These long outside dashes, you only see them in Norway, not in Sweden. Swedes have shorter ones, so the dash is about half the length. So this should be Norway. Nice. Most people getting that. Yeah, pretty easy, I reckon. Switzerland, no. Best guess. What is this? This is Kyrgyzstan. You can just tell from like the winter coverage and the poles, and we got the Google car too. So yeah, this is easy Kyrgyzstan. Yeah. This one probably be somewhere. Oh, this is. Could it be around Talas ever? Everyone's gonna know this. No, it's actually down by Narin. Yeah, okay. I need to practice my Kyrgyzstan. I was good at one point, but I need to practice now. Haven't been the best recently. What is this, Mongolia? I don't know why I thought Mongolia looked kind of Mongolian. I think it's Chile actually. Sun is kind of not useful here. I'll go Chile here, but I could be wrong here. What is this? Is it Chile? Hopefully it's Chile. Yeah, it is Chile with max north. Well, not max north. Sorry about that. What have we got here? We have got. That yellow sun with a thin red border should be Polish. This is Polish. Get a bit closer to it than I've guessed. Yeah. Should be Poland. One guy got knocked out. Anyway, next one here is gonna be in driving. This is gonna be UK, driving on the left. Yellow back plates, which should be somewhere in the UK. I think you'll know this. Yep. Let's just get rid of this a bit. There we go. This is going to be somewhere in. Oh hell, where is this? Left. This is going to be Spain. I just don't know. Oh gosh. No, I'm going to get this wrong. What is this? Italy. Damn it. Makes sense. Yeah, obviously makes sense. We'll go again. Let's just move this a bit closer. There we go. Which doesn't make a lot of sense now that I see it. What is this going to be? This is going to be. Got some water tanks up there. It's going to be Albania with double blue. So yeah, these license plates with blue strips on the both sides, normal length, are going to be Albanian. Italy has ones the blue on both sides, but they're shorter. That's why I can see a lot of people going Italy. Italy has shorter ones than this. Albania has the normal length ones. So yeah, give me Italy. Mexico. I don't know, I guess Mexico. That's interesting actually. Mexico would be an interesting guess. Yeah. Let's check this is working. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, you can see all the cars have got blue strips on both sides. Do we have any old Albanian plates? They've got red strips on the left side. Don't see any, because I guess I could look in the parking area. It lets me move down there. But yeah, here are some old Albanian plates with the red strip on the left side, like the ones you see in Kyrgyzstan. But yeah, this doesn't look like Kyrgyzstan. So yeah, I think Albania and Kyrgyzstan are the only countries in the world that have plates with red strips on the left side. Oh, actually, also Qatar, I believe. Actually, also has someone that has red strips. And I think also, I believe, actually, UAE rental vehicles, I'm pretty sure. I think I heard that somewhere, but could be wrong. I think I might have heard that somewhere. Anyway, most people getting this, and this is guys using 50/50s. I'll try not to use 50/50s because I think I can probably manage. We've got black colour long antenna, which is going to be in Russia, I think. Yeah, it looks pretty Russian. So we have Cyrillic. We have Cyrillic as well. Yeah, we're going to be in Russia. Don't know where though. I don't know how to read. You guess Russia. Okay, people getting into that one. This person signs around Ukraine, Russia, and Lithuania. So we mean one of those 3 countries. Do any language anywhere? Any like license plates? Oh, it's not Cyrillic. So it's gonna be Lithuania. Sheesh. It's gonna be Lithuania, I think. Nice. Canals. Yeah. So Ukraine, Russia, Lithuania, as well as pedestrian signs are found. The ones with where are they going? Yeah, those ones with 3 dashes. And the unattached head. If the head was attached, it would be Estonia, but the head's not attached, so you're going to be Russia, Lithuania, Ukraine. But we don't have Cyrillic, so we're going to be in Lithuania. Just a process of elimination, yeah. Let me move or what? No, it doesn't matter. Next one here is going to be... Oh, it's low cam. Doesn't look like Japan, so it's going to be Switzerland. This is low cam, this thing. You got this sort of wide blur and you sort of lower to the ground. You sort of, the camera's a bit similar to the height of other cars. But yeah, this is like wide blur. You're going to be either in Japan or Switzerland, but it doesn't look like Japan. And the plates are obviously different in that. Everything's just different in Japan, so this is going to be Switzerland. Sometimes you can also have it in Taiwan, but I don't think that's actually low cam. That's just wide blur for some reason. Don't understand that, but yeah. Anyway, what's this? Like a little antenna, that's interesting. What is this, like Indo or something? I'm trying Indonesia here, but could be wrong here. Had to be wrong. Nah, it was Indo, nice. These are gonna be Czechs or Slovak bollards. And with this winter coverage, I've probably got a Czechia here. Don't think Slovakia really has any winter coverage. See where the Czechia here, my map's not loading. There we go. I will prepare for Slovakia. No one's getting it. It was Czechia. Yeah. So we've got these bollards here, which you find in Czechia and Slovakia. I did my bollards tier list video recently as well, so go check that out. And yeah, so we got winter coverage. Like all the trees are kind of dead and sad, and that you find mostly Bulgaria, Hungary, but you can find a little bit in Czechia and I think France as well. But Czechia can have a little bit. I don't think Slovakia has any winter coverage. Let me know if I'm wrong in the comments though. But I think Czechia has a little bit of winter coverage. Yeah, Czechia does have winter coverage. I don't think Slovakia does. That's where these bollards are found in those 2 countries. Czechia and Slovakia can be very difficult to tell apart sometimes, but this location is not as hard because we've got winter coverage. So yeah. What have they got? I'm guessing Finland, Poland. They're going to figure it out. It should try to win. Guys, that guy's out. They're all getting Baltics. Okay, am I just going to win here or what? See where this guy goes. Does he go? Where's he gonna go? He's not guessing. It's 5 seconds left. Am I just gonna win? And I've won. Nice. We got 3 points. We have a few points back. That's fine. We got 200 XP. That's something. Anyway. Yeah. Let's keep going. Jump into a game here, 9 minutes now. Sure, you can get some players in. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comments down below if you want me to explain something better, or like if you know how I got something, or yeah, let me know what you want me to see in the future, because I can just do whatever videos. I can do tips videos, I can do Battle Royale videos, I can do duels videos, I can do just do gameplay videos on any maps you want. So yeah, just let me know in the comments what you like. I'm going to do a poll about it. Come on, guys, anyone playing Battle Royale? Battle Royale's, that's probably the 2nd best mode, I reckon. After duels, I like duels, probably the best, and then Battle Royale. Distance kind of sucks, because especially on the world map, distance sucks, really. I guess duels sucks as well, but I guess Battle Royale is just not as good as duels. Duels can get a lot more elo than Battle Royale. Countries, that is. But country Battle Royale. Distance Battle Royale just sucks, because it's world map. Come on, people. Come on. Who we got? Who have we got? Oh, man. Right, we got 5 players in the lobby, but not too many. Anyway, we're in. What are we looking at here? We're looking at something. Okay, that tuk-tuk looks kind of Sri Lankan, so I'm looking with a Sri Lanka here, but really I'm not too sure. Hilly makes sense for Sri Lanka, could be somewhere in the hills of Sri Lanka. But yeah, this tuk-tuk, this red and black tuk-tuk looks, yeah, very Sri Lanka. You see these tuk-tuks all over Sri Lanka. I haven't seen them too much anywhere else. I've seen them a lot in Sri Lanka though, so yeah, look out for them. That's all I went off really. Can't actually even see the car. That's good stuff on there. What's next? Somewhere European. I don't know, maybe France or Italy or something like that. Not gonna be Italy. God, what is this? What is this? I don't know. Got round poles. Maybe it's like Czechia or something, or I don't know your language or anything. We got an antennas on the car. Oh, no antenna. That's interesting. Serbia, maybe? I don't know. Maybe something like that. Yeah, it was Serbia. Yeah. Just no antenna on the Google car, and then saw some blue strips around. Round poles you can also see in Serbia. So yeah, just a lot of just getting all the clues together and just making a country possible. What is this? This can actually be Malaysia. These yellow street signs here, you can see, they're actually Johor specific. You don't find them anywhere else in Malaysia. And you do see a lot of black cars. We had a black Google car. You see a lot of that down in Johor, and I think in Malacca, another southern state. This is gonna be, I think it's gonna be Dominican Republic actually. Yeah. I don't use the car. I use these poles, these square poles, and if they're grey paint at the bottom, we should be up in our second city, Santiago de los Caballeros. Yeah, everyone got that. But anyway, you also have the Google car as well. What is this? This is gonna be. Is it Argentina or something? Or it's Argentina. We got that. We got that license plate with a black dot on it. That's Argentina's only. You don't find that anywhere else. Not even Uruguay. So that's good there. All right, next one. .pl. Do we trust that? Yeah, we got Polish signs there too, so you can trust that. You can't always trust these trucks and all these vans in Europe as they can travel. So I have seen it before in Battle Royale. They're traveling to other countries and then people go off them, but no, you got to go off other things as well. That's why I did check. This looks Southern African. No, it's actually Australia. Got some Australian bollards. Is this just something like New South Wales or something? Or I don't know, man. Who knows? It could be something like Victoria as well. I think it's something like New South Wales, Victoria. Oh well, we didn't get to know. What is this? This is going to be. What is that? Is that an Italian plane? No, it's not. Where the hell is this, man? Italy? I was thinking Italy, but is that a French plate? I can actually tell. French plate. Can we see? No, it's not France. Oh, that's a Belgian pole. Is this Belgium? No, there's no way. What is this pole? I'm so confused. It's just me and some guy can get it now. A lot of wooden poles. We do have, what do we have here though? Some, oh god. Load game, please. So it's Spain. We got ladder poles and those signs with no white border in the distance. Spain. So France wasn't a bad guess, to be honest. Bordering country. What is this? Oh god, what is this? I don't know. Man, can I move or what? Oh man, the moving is doing this to me again. Somewhere rural, not a lot of clues. Turkey, didn't mind Turkey. Why is this not loading?